Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review MoonPay. MoonPay is a popular payment platform that helps people buy and sell cryptocurrencies easily using their credit or debit card. It acts like a bridge between your traditional money and digital coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. The best thing about MoonPay is its user-friendly design, which makes it perfect for beginners. You don't need to be a tax expert. Just a few clicks and your crypto is on the way. It supports a wide range of countries and currencies, so people around the world can use it. MoonPay works with many wallets and crypto apps, so integration is smooth. Security is taken seriously. MoonPay uses strong encryption and identity verification to protect users. The KYC Know Your Customer process may feel slow to some users, but it adds a layer of safety. Transactions are usually fast, although delays can happen during busy times. The fees can be higher compared to some crypto exchanges, which is a common complaint. Still, for the convenience and speed it offers, many users feel it worth it. Customer support is responsive, though sometimes email replies can take a while. Overall, MoonPay is great for people who want a simple way to buy crypto without using complex exchanges. It's trusted service by backed big names in the crypto world. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.